Good morning, dear students. We are back with the new session for the class 9th. Already we have completed 2 paragraphs of that poem. Again we are starting with the 3rd paragraph of the poem. The grass is really like me, written by Kishwar Nahid. So she is from Pakistan and she have been translated this into the English, and now we'll go through the poem. First, we will read the poem. How you strive and endure to level woman down to, but neither the earth nor woman's desire to manifest life dies. Take my advice, the idea of making a footpath was a good one. Next, the 4th paragraph. Those who cannot bear the scorching and grafted onto the earth, that's how they make way for the mighty, but they are merely straw, not grass. The grass is really like me. So, we will start with the 3rd paragraph here. I will explain now here. How you strive and endure to level woman down to, but neither the earth nor woman's. So here, the strive. The meaning of strive is make great effort to achieve or obtain something or struggle. Endure here, make an effort to try hard. Manifest, reveal or disclose. So, we will discuss about the 3 lines now. How you strive here. Man dominated means the dominated peoples means here the male dominants are striving means making a great efforts or making woman to or making them they are making a great efforts to women to let down, and endurance means they are efforting to to try hard. They are trying hard to make women let down, to level women down. They are making women level down. They are not making women to grow. If they are wanted to or they are wishing to do anything, they are the male dominants. They are making women let down, but neither the earth nor woman. So here, Kishwar Nahid, the poet, she is describing that women are compared to the earth. So, earth, if we are destroying the earth, destroying the earth, again we are nearest to the disaster. Same as it is, she is telling that Kishwar Nahid, women, if we are making her destroyed, we are nearer to that. Means we are destroying ourselves. So, but neither the earth nor woman. So she is telling the earth and the woman are compared to each other. Desire to manifest life dies. So even the women are having so much of desires, but the man dominates and the society are making them to die. They are not making them to overcome from that. Then, take my advice, the idea of making a footpath was a good one. So this is a beautiful line written by Kishwar Nahid, that she is telling to the male dominants that there is a time. Now there is a time that even you can make the woman for what here, give a chance to achieve their goals, and give the a stage in the society, give a level in the society to survive. The poet is saying to the peoples, the male peoples, that now is again there is a time that even the poet, she is telling, they can give a chance to a woman to achieve her goals. Even the women are having their desire, their hopes, their wills, but the male dominants can also help them in their to achieve their goals. So she is telling, take my advice. She is telling, take my advice, that for the dominants. Dominants means male dominants. that of making a footpath, give a way to the women to achieve their goals was a good one. It is a good thing to give a chance to a woman. Okay, now we will go to the last para. So those who cannot bear the scorching defeat of their courage are grafted onto the earth. That's how they make a way for the mighty, but they are merely straw, not grass. The grass is really like me. In this stanza, the Kishwanai, the poet, tells about this. Those who cannot bear the scorching defeat of their courage. If the woman, if she can't tolerate or to fight, if she is not overcoming from that, so she is telling that you must have to get freedom. You must have to fight with the society and the male dominance. So she is telling to the woman that to fight to herself, and if she is not fighting to herself or she will not bear that, then she will die and are grafted on the earth. If she is not fighting against her freedom, again she is being pushed down like a grass. So grafted means joined together. Merely just only simple. Straw, dried stalks of a grain used as fodder or for a thatching, packing, etc. Now, that's how they make a way for the mighty. They are making themselves, the women, if they are not fighting for her rights or freedom, she will be that how they make way for the mighty. She will be lagged back or she will be died easily by the male dominance. But there are merely straw, not grass. The grass is really like me. Straw means it is a dry grass. If you will become as a dry grass means it is a dried leaves of a grass. If it is dried again, it will not becomes green. So she is telling that you must be a grass, a wet grass. Again it will taking strength. Again it is growing. Same as it is. Be like the grass, but they are merely straw, not a grass. We are not a straw. Straw means here it is a dried grass, not a grass. We are not a grass. We must have to overcome from our life. So, poet says, but not grass, lost the strength to grow. So, you must have to grow. So, this is the the Kishwanai is telling that the grass is really like me. So, children, so today we will complete this poem. Thank you.